Here are 3 boring business ideas that could make you $1 million.
Boring business to make $1 million. Let's have a look. Let's check it out.
Number 1 is domain flipper. So buy and resell domains that are trending, popular, and in highly trafficked niches. So the average person earns $100,000 annually, which would take about 10 years to be a millionaire.
Well, tons of red flags into it. First, you actually need to invest your money to buy domains, then sell them. And he says it takes 10 years to become a millionaire. No.
There's also a small chance you can get lucky, like Chris Clark, who bought pizza.com for $20 and sold it for $2.6 million. Number 2
Definitely not going to happen every day.
is owning a laundromat. So the average annual profit is $300,000, and with a 95% success rate, you could be a millionaire in just 3 years with.
Well, that's a local business and it needs tons of investments. You probably can get away with investors, but for that you need your own reputation. It's a hard pass.
This approach. Number 3 is to start a luxury automated car wash. So after the initial investment, the profit margins are high.
It's not just a car wash. He's talking about luxury car wash. Looks like a huge investment required. Definitely hard pass.
You can earn over $686,000 annually, which could make you a millionaire in just a few years.
Doesn't sound bad, but are you going to do it? If I were you and start something new, I would try this 3-step approach. Step 1, Google the industry followed by affiliate programs and see the options, especially the commissions they pay out. After looking for affiliate programs and their commission percentage, I will look for social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and see how many videos people are publishing and how much viewers watching them. Then I would use AI to learn about the industry and start publishing simple videos on these platforms. Then I would drive all my viewers to the affiliate programs that I'm promoting. However, I'm not going to do car wash thing because they only pay 5% to 10% sales commission. That's an absolute disaster. And that's why instead of promoting car wash offers, in step number 3, we promote high ticket affiliate programs that pay out 50% commission, and the commission range can be minimum $500. We use the same traffic through an AI generated automated funnel, and when there is a sale, we earn this commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.